This has been an amazingly interesting project to be involved in, the Simply4Emotions project, largely because I've never been involved in developing a game before, and also because of the importance, I think, of a project like this.
I just want to explain you or show you our board game, Simply4Emotion. As you can see, it all starts on a hiking on a very, very nice mountain view.
My name is Saskia and we are at the ISAGA conference today. And today we are presenting our Simply4Emotions game, which is a simulation game designed to improve resilience among healthcare workers.
Simply4Emotions, and we are a group of partners from different European countries, a character each, and just read through it. I'm the mountain guide.
So on a hike you usually go and have a look at some landmarks, nice views that you want to visit during the hike. So on our board game you visit as well 5 different landmarks that you have to visit and to do whatever it says.
Where we're experiencing serious recruitment and retention problems in health and social care, not just nationally but also internationally. So anything that can be done to help support the resilience of health and social care professionals, I think, is critically important at this time.